Hello everyone. I have the pleasure to introduce the new one of the month. It's called Zibbo 2020. It's Cannonau, of course, from Sardinia, as you can see, with many wines of the month comes from Sardinia. Cannonau is our local grape variety. It's the equivalent of Grenache. This Cannonau, I think it's very, very good, particularly because it's organic. Comes from a tiny little village in the middle of Sardinia, where near Nuoro, and it's a third generation wine made from a third generation family, and it's a bold, full body, high on alcohol, but it has a lot of explosive fruit like cherries, blackberries, and prune, and even licorice. So it's 15.5 volume. Don't get scared by the high alcohol, but it's a beautiful red wine. When you smell it, it has a beautiful nose, almost like a nose of a Syrah. And when you drink it, has this amazing fruit that comes out. So for the price, I think it's very good value. It's £23.50 in the shop and £36.50 in the restaurant. It's a wine that we imported directly from this tiny little village of 2,500 people. So you can imagine this tiny village. And I'm very proud to sell this wine because it's an organic red wine from the middle of Sardinia. With that, I hope everybody will enjoy it, and it will be nice sometime to get some feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.